The overall goal of the following experiment is to improve commercial filter materials by deposition of spider silk nonwoven meshes for filtration of small particles. First, dissolve the lyophilized recombinant spider silk proteins in HFIP to produce an appropriate spinning dope. Then electrospin the solution onto different filter materials, which are thereby coated with the silken nonwoven layer. Next, treat the silk submicrometer fibers with ethanol vapor in order to induce stable water-insoluble structures. In order to soften the nonwovens for subsequent handling, humidify the samples with water vapor. Results indicate a clear dependency of spinning duration and thus layer thickness on the filter efficiency based on particle filtration measurements.
Compared to melt blowing of synthetic polymers, electrospinning provides fibers that are about 10 times smaller in diameter with a smaller size distribution. Importantly, using biocompatible biodegradable spider silk nanofibers lowers the putative health risk accompanied with other polymer fibers.
Though this method can provide high potential in the field of technical filtration, it can also be applied to medical systems, such as wound coverage devices, where spider silk nonwoven meshes can support wound healing.
We first had the idea for this method when we tried to produce spider silk fibers with different techniques. The low diameters obtained by electrospinning initiated the idea using them in air filtration devices.
To 20 milligrams of lyophilized